And re-rolling. Go ahead, clap twice. Okay, guys, hang a second. Yeah.
So this is a model UHT NCS Lab 25 FW. I'll describe some of the major parts of it. Just looking at the front of the system, the main thing you see is touchscreen control. Here you can control all the aspects of the system, heat, temperature, pressure from this touchscreen. This is the main power. It's off right now, and that would give you, turn it on, all the electricity. Just looking at these components, I'm showing you the preheat exchanger, the final heat exchanger, the fill drain valves for the preheat, and the fill drain valve for your final heat. This section here is a hold tube. For steam injection, this would be our Mark 95 valve, creating back pressure. Here's the main steam valve for the system. You turn it up and steam enters the system. And this actually controls steam going into the system. This is a vacuum chamber designed to remove steam from the system and from your product. These are vacuum control valves. Moving on, you have two coolers in your system. Cooler 1, Cooler 2. Cooler 1 is controlled with this valve. Cooler 2 is controlled with this valve. And this controls the condenser on your system. There are gauges all labeled for your readouts on this system, from your steam to your steam preheat, final heat, and your final heat control air. Vac chamber pressure and air supply. This is back pressure valve 1. Back pressure valve number 1. Here we have a component that's added to the system. It's a homogenizer. This is a Tomo 3.0 manufactured by Bertolli. This is a clean fill hood. Inside the clean fill hood is a sterile product outlet designed to sterilize your system and allow you to feel sterile. On the back of the system, we have some of the utility components that are designed to heat up your product. This is a water vane vacuum pump. And this is the container for the vacuum pump, which allows you to exit water to exit the system. This is a flow meter. This allows you to measure the flow of water going through the system. This is what we call a steam ATC valve. It's going to control the temperature of the steam. This particular one controls your final heat. On that steam system, you have a circulation pump, a steam trap, a pressure relief valve, and a check valve. These two vessels here are expansion chambers. They're also on the loop designed to relieve any pressure in the loop. This is the exact same thing as the first, except it's the preheat loop. Looking down, I'm going to show you the two main parts of this. This is a product pump designed to push the product through your system. The one in the back is an extraction pump that's designed to pull the product from your vacuum chamber. Finally, getting down here at the bottom is your run dry protection. That's designed to switch to water source if you run out of product. All of these little blue devices are called steam traps. They're designed to remove condensate from your system. These are actuator valves. They turn on and allow water to flow by. These control your air to your ATC valves. This one controls the air to your run dry. And this controls the regulated pressure to the run dry. And finally, on the right side, we have inputs from the utilities. Steam in, control air, and of course your dual product water unit.
That's it. Cool.